Listen up, you high-voltage legend. The world doesn't hand out trophies for waiting. You're a goddamn storm, so strike fast, strike relentless. When your mind surges with that electric charge, don't waste it on hesitation or self-doubt. Channel that power, bulldoze your doubts, and burn your mark into the universe. Champions don't tiptoe, they thunder in, making every second feel like a lightning strike. You're not here to fit in, you're here to electrify the world. So ignite, explode, and let them feel your shockwaves.